Okay, today I want to give you another quick one. I just want to show you how to take your video from this to this nighttime TV scene. So let's jump into it. So I use the Nanlite Litolite 5C, an aperture B7C bulb, a Nanlite Pavo tube, a reflector, and a sheet. The first thing I wanted to do was motivate the lights in the background with the B7C bulb. I did get the idea from Ryancampfilms to film this whole scene, but he used his B7C for emulating the TV. The Nanlite 5C, I put it on the TV setting and I dimmed it down to about 5%. I also used the sheet to diffuse it. I actually folded the sheet over 2 times just because it was pretty bright. To emulate moonlight, I took the tube light and I just dialed in the settings. I got it to a nice blue tint, and we're gonna shoot through the 5-in-1 reflector. That's gonna be off camera. That's gonna come from the side. That's gonna be camera right. So here's how everything looked after I got everything in place. Check out the video. Let me know what you think, if you would have done anything different.